Hello and welcome back to Jackanory Story Time with Lewis. Tonight's episode is sponsored by I'm melting, the Wizard of Oz and the Wicked Witch of the West. Or is it the East? Forget. But I'm melting. Hope everybody's well and not as out of breath as I am. The heat's really getting to me at the minute, as is all the weight I've got on me at the minute, but I'm still handsome, I'm still wonderful, and who wouldn't want this face? The body, not so sure about, but who wouldn't want this face? It's been a funny day. At least I've been a bit more productive today. What have I got done? I've managed to tidy up, which I don't always manage to do every day, to be honest. I'm so bored of being. I desperately need some more. I don't know, just more at the minute, which is probably the same for everybody. But we're getting there, aren't we? We are, so we are, so we are, so we are. Cup of tea, Father? No, thank you, Mrs. Doyle. Go on. Just one cup of tea, Father. Go on. Go on. Go on. That was my best Welsh accent. Right, tonight's joke is about the farmyard. I suppose I better crack on, really. Too busy looking at myself in the camera, like, oh, blimey. It's because I washed my hair today, and I like, yeah. Do you know, my hair used to be dead straight, honest to God. Not a kink, not a curl or anything with it. When it's wet, it's a little bit curly at the ends. And now it's got kind of a... It's got summer, anyway. It's a bit wavier. I am a fire starter. Tragic fire starter. Anyway, stop. Must get on. Look, it's 2.5 minutes and I'm still not telling the joke. So I better crack on, really, ain't I? A little boy came down to breakfast. Since he lived on the farm, his mother asked if he'd done his chores. Not yet, said the little boy. His mother tells him he can't have any breakfast until he goes to do his chores. Well, he's a bit pissed off, but he goes and feeds the chicken, and he kicks the chicken. It's bad enough that they're keeping animals as it is to eat in their vegan power. He goes to feed the cows and he kicks a cow. Well, that cow kicked him back. Goes to feed the pigs and he kicks a pig. He goes back in for breakfast and his mother gives him a bowl of dry cereal. How come I don't get any eggs and bacon? And why don't I have any milk on my cereal, he asks. Well, his mother said, I saw you kick a chicken, so you don't get any eggs. I saw you kick the pig, so you don't get any bacon either. I also saw you kick the cow, so you aren't getting any milk this morning. Just about then, his father comes down for breakfast and he kicks the cat. And as he's walking into the kitchen, the little boy looks up at his mother with a smile and says, Are you going to tell him, or am I? Okay. The dog looks so unimpressed. Yes, I can tell. I'm doing my Mr. What do you call him? Xavier, Dr. Xavier. Oh, what is he? One of the X-Men. The bald fella. Oh, nobody's laughing. What do you call him? Oh, anyway, Dr. X. Anyway, I'm going to leave you be because I've waffled at you for quite some time now. And I'm going to be asleep at this rate in this heat, if it'll let me sleep. I'll put my fan on again in a minute. It's a bit noisy. I've got a fan mostly for the dog, to be fair, but I am glad I got it. Anyway, bye for now. And don't forget to be safe and do all the stuff you need to be doing. Okay. Love you guys. Stay well. See you soon.